Shopify AI CRM automates sales and customer support full guide. Most Shopify stores don't actually fail because of bad products. They fail because they don't follow up with customers. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use AI as a CRM to automate your sales, recover abandoned carts, and handle customer support without hiring a team. Now, by the end of this video, you will know how to set up an AI-powered CRM for your Shopify store, automate customer messages, increase your conversions, and save hours of manual work. Now, this is the exact system stores are using in 2026 to scale faster with less effort. So let's go ahead and break this down simply. What is an AI CRM for Shopify? A CRM is basically a customer relationship management system. It's basically how you track and interact with your customers. Now, when you add AI into it, everything becomes automated. So instead of manually replying to messages, following up with leads, or reminding customers about abandoned carts, AI will handle it all for you. It can answer questions, recommend products, and even push customers towards completing a purchase. Think of it like having a 24/7 sales and support team without actually having to pay salaries. So, to start off, what we're going to do is we're going to set up our Shopify store. So, if you don't already have a Shopify store, simply go ahead and click on Start for free. Shopify will always give you a 3-day free trial. You can either go ahead and continue with any email, or you can start off with your Google account. Google account is usually the most simplest and easiest to start off with. So I'm going to go with that, and we're going to hit continue. Once we do that, as you can see, it's going to tell you that Google has been verified, and we're going to bring you straight to this. Now, you can either get a paid plan for yourself right here, or you can simply skip it. By skipping it, it brings us here. So it says, where would you like to sell? We'll make sure you're set up to sell in all of these places. So we have an online store, in person, or a retail store, in person at events, existing website or blog, social media, or online marketplaces. So you can either skip all of this or choose all of this. Obviously, I'm going to go with the online store, new business idea. Where do you plan to sell? Products I buy or make myself, or even, let's say, drop shipping products, and click on next. So obviously you can choose any store name right now for yourself. So let's go ahead and call it Retro Kicks. Okay, we're simply going to call it that. Once that is done, we're simply going to click on finish, and we are good to go. It's going to take us straight from here into our main Shopify dashboard. Now, once your Shopify account is created, no AI system can fix a bad page. If your foundation is weak, automation won't save you. So do make sure that everything is set it up well. Now, once everything is good to go, let's bring in the AI. There are different types of tools that you can actually use. You can use AI chatbots for your website, email automation tools, SMS marketing tools, or customer data tracking systems. You do not need everything at once. Go ahead and make sure to start very simple. So, for example, an AI chatbot can instantly respond to customer questions like shipping time, product details, or refunds. Email automation tools can send follow ups, discounts, and even reminders automatically. The goal is not going to be the complexity, it's going to be efficiency. So let's go ahead and say I want to set up AI chatbots for customer support. This is one of the highest impact steps. You're going to install a chatbot on your Shopify store and train it with common questions. All right. So the common questions are going to be shipping times, return policies, product details. Make sure the responses do sound natural and not robotic. Go ahead and adjust tone, keep it friendly, and keep it clear. A good chatbot doesn't just answer questions, it guides customers towards buying. So, if you want to go ahead and add a chatbot, you're going to go to apps, and here you're going to go over to all recommended apps, and you're going to click on Shopify App Store. Now, once we click on Shopify App Store, it's going to load us right here, and you're going to go ahead and write something like AI chat bot. Okay. Once you click on AI chat, as you can see, it's going to start giving you different chat bots. All right. Now, there's a lot of good ones. So let's say we have this one over here, Chat Will AI. It's specifically built for Shopify. So what we're going to do is we're simply going to hit install. And before doing that, you can actually check the requirements it gives you. Auto order tracking, smart AI customer chat, provides instant answers for products and orders, boosts sales with AI, works on all devices, etc. So we're simply going to go ahead and hit download. Now what it does is it brings us here where we're going to click on install. And once you click on install, it gets downloaded or starts downloading into your timeline. Now, as you can see, it says the AI chatbot is loading. Now, once it loads, here it's going to tell you a few things like a few activations that you're going to need, a few things that you're going to want to pretty much, start up by yourself. We're going to hit activate now. And once you hit activate now, it's obviously going to be loading you in to this section where you're going to want to make sure that it is turned on right here. Once it's turned on, click on save. Once you click on save, it says browser notification is disabled. You're going to want to enable that as well. So basically, you're going to click on the three icons over here, turn on notifications. So you're going to go here, and mostly the notifications will appear over there. In the case they don't appear, don't worry. You can simply go ahead to your notification section right here, and you should find them. In the case you don't find them, what you can simply do is you can go over to your settings. You can go to notification. Okay, just search it here. And once you go ahead over here, you're simply going to go ahead and turn these notification settings on. Once everything is on and good to go, you can come back over here, make sure everything is correctly enabled, allow for this site. There we go. Now it's going to ask you to things like Feedom, AI dropshipping. If you want, you can get it. This is not necessary, though. We can simply skip this. Now here's the setup guide. App embed, go ahead and enable it straight from your store. Again, it's going to open it up. From there, it's going to give you the option to enable it from here. It's enabled. Simply go ahead and click on save. Now, once it's activated, you're going to come right here, style your chat widget. So obviously, we're going to go ahead and customize it for ourselves. You can go ahead and create instant answers like how long do returns take? Do you ship internationally? Let's say I'm going to go with do you have customer chat? Okay, let's go with that. And we can write yes, check our contact section. Okay, we're going to simply write that in. And once that is in, what you're going to do is you're simply going to go ahead and save it. Okay, the visibility is on, and this creates an instant answer. And once that is done, there you have it. Then you can track orders and all these things that are consistently turned on. You can change the style of how you want it to be. So let's say I want to go with slate. That looks pretty cool. You can choose the icons to give. So let's say I'm going to keep it on that. You can keep it large. You can keep it small. I'm going to keep it medium. That seems perfect. Keep on saving things. Make sure to do that, because if you do not save them, obviously from there, things will go sideways. Then chatting with customers, that is also something you can change for yourself if you want to add different consistent things into it, and so on, so more. So adding these things obviously will keep it very AI oriented. So this will not only give you AI automation, it will give you proper chatting, abandoned cart recovery, AI customer insights, personalizations, and a whole lot more. So common mistakes to avoid are overcomplication. Don't add too many tools, or they set up automation and forget to test it. Obviously, always choose one tool that will do all for you, like I have over here. Always test your system like a customer, check your chatbot, go through your email flows. If something feels off, go ahead and fix it. Automation should feel smooth, not confusing. So that is pretty much about it. That is your whole Shopify store scaled with AI. If you enjoyed this video, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.